Hi guys, welcome back to TURKIsh.CO.UK search engine optimized tools section. So we have the more than 40 tools is on your domain. So these tools is give it you for details from your website, is details for any kind of the search engine optimized, or you can see better than website is more than the visibility and publish and viability. So any kind of the tools you can use it on your selection systems, but remember it, always use it, cookies, clean up the cookies. And always remember is some tools is take a while from the checking from the API, which is application privacy interface. Means it's you can check from some tools is work from the third-party companies. So they check it from the tools and speed is different for the results. Remember it doesn't give it to you for all details correctly, but it's approximately. I hope you understand and you can use the search engine tools for your demand. Thanks for that watching it. Take care. See you the next one. Bye bye.